Under the field direction of drum majors Shannon Killey and Rivers Lewis, the Jaguar Marching Band brings you the music of Kendrick Lamar. And yes, it may be in the key of A minor. But don't worry, there's nothing sad about this performance, unless of course you're on the receiving end of a Kendrick diss. Bring the house down with a true global superstar. She's a cultural icon, a powerhouse performer, and the most awarded artist in Grammy history. With an incredible 32 Grammy wins and counting, whether she's setting trends, breaking records, or commanding the stage, Beyoncé is simply in a league of her own. Tonight, the Jaguar Marching Band celebrates Queen Bee with a fierce and fabulous medley of her two biggest hits, Single Ladies and Crazy in Love. To close out our Grammy show, we turn to an American rock legend whose music has captured the spirit of the working class and the heart of the nation. With 20 Grammy Awards and decades of unforgettable anthems, we bring you Bruce Springsteen, Blinded by the Light and Born in the USA. As the band sets up for the next portion of their performance, we want to let you know that the Jaguar Marching Band is currently auditioning members for the 2026 marching season. You can sign up for your audition online. You can also be a member of the Jaguar Marching Band for a day by applying to be a part of the 2025 Jaguar Marching Honor Band on November 22nd. Registration closes on November 3rd. You can perform on the field and in the stands as a member of the Jaguar Marching Band. You can find all the information about the Jaguar Marching Band and the Jaguar Marching Honor Band at www.jaguarmarchingband.org. Next up, the Jaguar Marching Band presents a portion of their second show of the 2025 season, with a musical journey through some of the most iconic TV theme songs of all time. Whether you grew up with these shows or just know the theme songs by heart, get ready for a sentimental performance packed with fun and unforgettable melodies. And since it's a beautiful day in Hoover, Alabama, we kick off our medley of TV classics with the theme from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's the theme from Sanford and Son. Say a quick hello to the Adams family before we close with the Bundy family and Married with Children. TV favorites. From the iconic couch gag at the opening of The Simpsons to the cutaway craziness of Family Guy and all the underwater antics of SpongeBob SquarePants. This medley is packed with fun and nostalgia for fans of all ages. for the University of South Alabama Jaguar Marching Band. The University of South Alabama and the Jaguar Marching Band are proud to perform an exhibition for you this evening. We greatly appreciate the invitation from the hosts, as well as the warm welcome from all the participating bands. Congratulations for all the fine work you do, and good luck this season and in seasons to come. We invite all of you seniors to audition for the Jaguar Marching Band, whose 275 plus members have been featured at bowl games, parades, NFL football games, and the Reese's Senior Bowl. All of the equipment you see on the field, every instrument, including the color guards, flags, and apparel, is owned and provided by the Jaguar Marching Band. Not only that, the Jaguar Marching Band will open their new state-of-the-art 25,000 square foot indoor and outdoor rehearsal facility this January. Our brand new Jaguar Marching Band rehearsal facility is right across the street from our beautiful Hancock Whitney Stadium and features a 7,000 square foot rehearsal room, a drumline room, color guard room, sectional rooms, uniform room, and a full-size NCAA turf football field. If we don't have your attention yet, listen to this. Every single member of the Jaguar Marching Band receives a generous scholarship, and there are no dues, no fees, and hey parents, this is the best one for you. No fundraising. Everyone on the field who's receiving a scholarship, say, "Go Jags!" The Jaguar Marching Band spends lots of time on their halftime and pre-game shows, but we equally love stand tunes to help pump up the crowd and support our Jags. Here's one of our fans' game day favorites. It's the Jaguar Marching Band's signature song. Here's Cameo's 1986 hit, "Word Up." One of our newest stand tunes, released by Tyler the Creator in 2024. The Jaguar Marching Band brings you "Sticky." Next up, written by Lil Wayne and certified 5-time platinum, here's Right Above It. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a wonderful audience this evening. Now get on your feet and put your hands together as we perform our fight song, South.
Jaguars. Go Jaguars. Go Jaguars.
Thank you all and go Jags.
Go Northland.
Once again, the University of South Alabama